Precision matters when measuring wood thickness, joinery depth, and hardware spacing. The best digital caliper for woodworking helps deliver cleaner cuts, tighter fits, and more accurate results for every project. Durable construction, clear displays, and reliable readings make these tools essential for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Mitutoyo Digimatic Digital Caliper. The Mitutoyo Digimatic Digital Caliper is built for professionals who need dependable accuracy in demanding work environments. With a measurement resolution of 0.0005 inches or 0.01 millimeters, this caliper performs exceptionally well for machining, woodworking, automotive diagnostics, metal fabrication, and engineering applications where precision matters. One of the first things users notice is how smooth the sliding action feels. The movement along the beam is controlled and stable, making it easy to take accurate readings without excessive play or sticking. The large digital display is bright and easy to read, which becomes especially useful during long work sessions or in low-light shop conditions. A standout feature is Mitutoyo's advanced on-site sensor technology, commonly known as AOS. This system helps the caliper resist dirt, coolant, moisture, and dust that often interfere with electronic measuring tools. In busy machine shops or industrial settings, that extra protection makes a noticeable difference in long-term reliability. Many professionals prefer Mitutoyo because the readings remain consistent even after extended daily use. The stainless steel construction also contributes to durability, giving the tool a solid and balanced feel in the hand without becoming overly heavy.
Number 2. Standard Gage Digital Caliper. The Standard Gage Digital Caliper offers an impressive combination of precision, durability, and convenience at a price that appeals to both professionals and hobbyists. Designed with a measuring range of 0 to 6 inches or 150 millimeters, this caliper delivers accuracy up to plus/minus 0.001 inches and a resolution of 0.0005 inches, making it suitable for machining, woodworking, household repairs, automotive tasks, and DIY projects. The stainless steel body feels strong and well-built, while the polished finish gives it a clean and professional appearance. Its compact size also makes it easy to carry around the workshop or store in a toolbox without taking up much space. One of the most useful aspects of this model is its 4-way measuring capability. The dual jaws and depth probe allow users to measure inside dimensions, outside dimensions, depth, and step distances with ease. This versatility makes the tool practical for a wide variety of applications without needing multiple measuring instruments. The digital interface is straightforward and user-friendly, with quick inch-to-millimeter conversion and zero reset functions accessible through the On-C button. Relative and absolute modes further improve convenience when comparing dimensions or performing repetitive measurements. Durability is another strong point of this caliper.
Number 3. Dasqua Precision Digital Caliper. The Dasqua Precision Digital Caliper is designed for users who need dependable measuring accuracy in challenging industrial environments. Its fully sealed IP67 coolant-proof construction immediately sets it apart from many standard digital calipers on the market. This protective design prevents water, oil, dust, and coolant from interfering with performance, making it particularly useful in machine shops, automotive garages, manufacturing facilities, and fabrication workshops, where harsh conditions are common. Even when exposed to moisture or grime, the caliper continues delivering stable readings without hesitation. The build quality is another major advantage. Constructed from premium stainless steel with vacuum quenching treatment, the tool achieves an impressive hardness rating above HRC 52.5. That hardened structure gives the caliper excellent resistance against wear, bending, and long-term damage caused by heavy daily use. The frame feels rigid and balanced in the hand, which helps users maintain steady positioning while measuring. Smooth sliding movement along the beam also contributes to accurate and repeatable readings, especially during detailed precision work. The strongest technical feature is the advanced 4th-generation inductive chip integrated into the electronics. Combined with the sealed design, the system delivers consistent measurement stability, even when exposed to dust, oil residue, or humidity. Number 4. Inside Groove Digital Caliper. The Inside Groove Digital Caliper is a specialized measuring instrument designed specifically for checking groove widths and internal bore distances with greater precision and accessibility. Unlike standard calipers that focus mainly on outside measurements, this tool is engineered to reach into confined internal spaces where traditional jaws often struggle. That makes it particularly useful for machinists, mechanics, automotive technicians, and manufacturing professionals who regularly work with cylinders, grooves, bearings, and recessed internal components. Its dedicated design improves both accuracy and efficiency when measuring hard-to-reach internal dimensions. Built from stainless steel, the caliper has a durable and solid construction that feels reliable during daily workshop use. The frame resists corrosion and maintains structural stability over time, which is important when performing repeated precision measurements. The 150mm or 6-inch measuring range covers many common industrial and mechanical applications, while the 0.01mm or 0.0005-inch resolution provides fine measurement detail for accurate results. The digital display is easy to read and responds quickly, helping users work faster without sacrificing measurement confidence. Operation is simple and straightforward thanks to clearly labeled buttons for power, zeroing, unit conversion, and ABS mode selection.
Number 5. Dasqua Electronic Digital Caliper. The Dasqua Electronic Digital Caliper is a heavy-duty measuring tool designed for users who need extended reach and dependable accuracy when handling larger workpieces. With a measuring range of 0 to 12 inches or 300 millimeters, this caliper provides far more versatility than standard compact models, making it ideal for automotive work, metal fabrication, machining, woodworking, and industrial inspection tasks. The long jaws improve accessibility when measuring large outside and inside dimensions, allowing users to work comfortably with oversized components that smaller calipers cannot easily handle. Accuracy remains impressive despite the extended size. The caliper offers resolution down to 0.0005 inches or 0.01 millimeters, with an accuracy rating of plus or minus 0.002 inches. Measurements feel stable and repeatable, which is important when working on precision fabrication or machine fitting tasks. The stainless steel construction gives the tool a rigid and durable structure while maintaining smooth sliding movement across the beam. Users can easily make controlled adjustments without excessive looseness or drag, improving overall measurement consistency.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.